Hello, Tuni. IKEA shopping na video niyo khat kang boluda mo. So please welcome to another video. Like and subscribe, and please press the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. So this is the IKEA. So we are going inside. I will show you everywhere. Let's go. So we enter, and there is a div. Here is a elevator. So we come by walk with Michelle. Okay, there are different types of different floor. So I will be showing you every section. Okay, we got this paper, which is like a game. Michelle, follow. So there are this type of furniture or things that you have to find in the IKEA shop, and there is something written on the things like a sofa or the stuff on the stuff. And so after you found everything, you can write down what you found it, and so you will get a gift at the end. So this is like a treasure hunt, so we are going to do this at the same time. So the place where we are right now is the exposition floor. So it's like made completely like a house. So this is like a living room, TV, sofa, and there you have the bedroom, corridor. So every corner has a type of this room, kitchen, bedroom, living room. So this is one of the room, which is living room. Okay. And this is a bedroom. This is bedroom. So this is how they are setting up the bedroom, organized. Emina, and there is a kitchen and sitting area. This is table, and this is kitchen. Like you can organize it like this. It's beautiful. And this is another kitchen. Here, living room. Living room. It's a living room cut. There's another living hall. So this is the kitchen. So in this floor, there are things that you can buy. Majority of them you can buy because it's exposition area. It's like a complete bedroom, a complete kitchen. Okay. Just because I am doing the vlogging, Michelle father is taking care of my two beautiful princess. Chidana mo house design ide idanda na ya amao cho abolon ya ko le living room le kitchen mo kitchen hiin ya lama bedroom mo bedroom idea ya bang bed umin idea of a house le room bedroom load na di mo hisidan di ba kibo. Okay, here is like a washing machine and the dryer, bathroom, shower, toilet mo, cabinet toilet to siya. Full. This area is kids bed, bunk bed, all kinds of beds. So if you can see. Okay, bed, stairs, drawer, table mo din. Dana. Yeah, look na the drawer. Dana mo, look na option. Banghe boy. Yeah, ni min here pillow de. Ni ko look na cabinet sidan de mo. Ni ko bedroom mo, now pang bedroom. This is a kids bedroom. No bed. Now kapway ta imot swa mo. Imagine this is a bedroom. Cupboard, table, bed, cupboard. This is a complete kids room. Ila soft toys. Yan mo. All the soft toys. And find here. Okay, we have this baby shark. Panda. Okay, this is the food court. There are so many people. I don't know how are we going to get our food. Hita microwave tamo Emma food because di. So I'm preparing Emma food here. And Michelle Daddy is picking up some food for us. He will pick up anything he wants, and then he has to pay there, and we can pick our glass, fork, everything here. Now we are having lunch. This is what we are eating: lasagna, veggies, salmon, some cake. Michelle polpet tone. Emma food. Emma, hi Emma. Emma, yeah, mi tamatam. Emma. Emma. Twahilans kami zo mo zo ya gram Anwailam Flora shopping muna so now we just had lunch, so we are doing the shopping part. This is the stairs, so I'm going down. This area is like glass, plates, everything. Glass, mug. Glass. Hihileplet. I wanted to buy one nice dinner set, so I'm confused which one to choose. I like this color. This area is plants, flowers and plants, all kinds of flowers. Wow, they are so beautiful. Okay, they are real flowers. I don't know the name. This looks like pineapple. Oh yeah, it's baby pineapple. Where is the flower? Okay, this is where you find your furniture. It's like a go down, no? Go down. Okay, here is where all the furnitures are kept. Like you can customize according to the size of your house, like bed, cupboard, table, all kinds of furniture is stored here. So according to your preferences, you can choose it from here, and there is the computer type, so you can choose your bed size, everything. And also here they put all kinds of Christmas decorations and Christmas tree, all kinds of Christmas decoration. So they're very. Okay, so we finished our shopping. We had so much fun, but we are very tired and exhausted at the same time. But we love spending our time together. So now we are going outside, so I can show you around the outside IKEA. So this is how it looks, and there is a shopping mall. So we are going home. Okay, so I will do the shopping haul in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye. Thank you.